Creating today?
A shirt.
With what?
Dinosaur on it?
Dinosaur?
Yeah.
We're gonna take it and we're gonna go draw so that he has an outline. Okay?
Okay.
And we're gonna change the dimensions because we want it to be on a shirt. So you see how he's really tall? My press goes to about 9 inches. So we're gonna change this to about 8.5, usually is a good thing. Do you wanna add any words or anything? Covering the whole design? I would say yes. All right, so now hit that C. C. Now hold pressure down. There you go, just like that. Pull it up all at once. Pull, 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 pull. There it is. Yay!